Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the following connectors. So, because, and but. This is Miss Gladys Machado. As you can see here we have the connectors so, because, and but. We are going to see when to use each of them, and then we are going to see some examples. Let's start with so. So expresses the result of something stated on the previous clause. For example, when we say she was unhappy, so she left her husband. You should wear a jacket so you don't catch a cold. Tie your shoes so you don't trip on your legs. I'll set my alarm clock so I won't wake up late. This picture has to be with the third sentence. Tie your shoe so you don't trip on your laces. Because. Because is used to express cause. When we use it, we are presenting a reason. For example, look at this picture. It says, I don't like him because he's mean. He got food poisoning because of undercooked chicken. She doesn't go to the movies because it's expensive. Now let's see the following connector, and. And expresses addition. When we use it, we add something to the previous clause. I can see a lady and two dogs in the car. She has a cold and is absent from school. I asked him to come with me and he agreed. I think Tom and Mary are secretly married. Finally, we are going to see the connector but. But expresses contrast. When we use it, we are opposing two ideas. I want to go to the party, but I'm so tired. I like her, but I don't like her friend. I studied for the test, but I don't think I did well. I'm hungry, but I have nothing to eat. Thank you very much. I hope that everything was clear. Don't forget that here is my email. Bye-bye.